This is history of Malaysian football win 2 peace and medal. And this is Malaysia in AFC, FIFA and ASEAN football. In AFC ASEAN Cup, they play for appearance of 4 times by result in group stage 1976, 1980, 2007 and 2023. And in ASEAN Championship, they got one winner one time in 2010 and runner-up 3 times in 1996 and 2014 and 2018. And they got third place 2 times in year 2000 and 2004. Now we go to the next one. In ASEAN game, Malaysia national team got third place 1 time in 1974 and Friendly Cup in Merdeka tournament. They winner 8 times in 1968, 1973, 1974, 1976, 1979 and 1986 and 1993 and 2024. Now go to the next Friendly Cup. In Thailand, King Cup, they winner 4 times 1972, 1976, 1977 and 1978. And runner-up, they got 4 times 1965, 1966, 1973 and 2022. And the third place, they win 2 times 1970 and 1974. The most cap in Malaysia national team, So Chan An is 195 match and top scorer Mokhtar Dahari is 89 goals, the top scorer, and home stadium Bukit Jalil National Stadium and FIFA ranking. Highest is 25 on that 8 August 1993 and lowest 178 on that 15 March 2018. Now go to the international match of Malaysia national team. The first international, Malaysia won, Thailand won. In Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on 12 October 1963. And biggest win, Malaysia 11 and Philippines 0. And play on Taereong, Iran, 7 September 1974. And the next one is biggest defeat, United Arab Emirates 10 and Malaysia 0. And they play at Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, 3 September 2015.